One way to tell we're getting close to Litha in Maryland is the amount of bird activity. We hit June and they're just everywhere in the morning. You can't really see them. They fly by sometimes, but the sounds are pretty impressive. Every kind of bird sound you can imagine. It's a nice morning here in Maryland. Right now hanging around 60 something and slightly hazy. Just real nice. Stepped out for coffee and just sitting here for a couple minutes enjoying it before I get back to work. Hope everybody has an awesome Friday.